Hello and welcome to this video. I haven't posted for a while now, but today something happened, and as you can see, my Model 3 is there, and as the weather changes, as you can see, it's now getting dark. We've been getting a bit foggy in the mornings and in the evenings, so I thought, let me put my fog lights on, and I couldn't get to do that. So let me just show you all, how to do the fog lights on here. Let me turn down the volume. So normally what will happen is you would think that the fog lights, when you press the car to open up the main menu, the fog lights will be somewhere around here. So I have traveled when I needed them, and I've been pressing that button and thinking the fog lights are on. They are actually not on. So this is the way to do your fog lights. Let me turn off the heating for a bit. Right, so if you want the fog lights to be on, I will turn the car on by pressing the brakes. So to put the fog lights, you press on the light there and this menu comes up. There are the fog lights. It's quick to go, so I will do it again. You press on there and they come on, and the fog lights are there. You turn them on like that. So if we go outside and see if the fog lights are on, we will see that the fog lights must be on. I hope they are on. The car is saying they are on, or the car is turned off. The car has turned off. So let me go back and see if I can keep the car running and at the same time, right, let's turn them back on there, like so. Let me see. I'll leave the door open. The car is turned off again. So let me get my daughter. I'll get my daughter to sit in the car and press the button. Then we can have a look. So let's go. So I'm checking if I've got front fog lights. Have you done it? All right, let's check the rears and see if the rear, yeah, there it is. There is the rear fog lamp. Turn it off, darling. Yeah, so this Model 3 from 21 doesn't have the front fog lights, which people normally put in there. I think that's another saving opportunity that they've found. So yeah, so that is how you turn on the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, because my wife was having the same issue. So we managed to get them turned on that way. So you just press on the light and press on the button with the fog lights. That's how you turn them on. So yeah, as I was saying, it's getting dark now. We're in October, we're going to winter, and I'll be doing more videos. Do like and share this video to other people, and I will hopefully share it with other Tesla users in the United Kingdom to make sure that everyone is aware how to turn them on as we go into winter. Anyway, do subscribe. We'll be doing more on how the batteries are doing in the garage. The solar, I'm just generating about 1 at the minute, just under 2 kilowatt hours. So we are really going towards winter in the United Kingdom. So thank you, and see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.